Spanakopita comes together from two things. The filling, which is going to be spinach and vegan feta cheese. The other one, which is normally phyllo pastry, but in our case, papadam's Greek Lovers Club.
I put it on especially for the spanakopita.
What is the biggest quality that we need for caramelizing onion?
Patient.
Feels a bit weird for me to be with a hat in the house.
No, it's cute. You look a bit like Victoria Beckham.
Some of our guests here in our retreats are sometimes gluten-free, so this recipe is dedicated to them.
We are soaking the papadams. We can roll it together.
I love to overstuff things. Next fold. Here it broke a little bit.
It's a reminder that nothing is perfect in life. How long, baby?
Until it gets a beautiful golden color.
Obviously.
Like you. David, it's our baby.
Hello, you. Get our cookbook.
See you next time.